gentlemen, are you ready?
My name is Neil. I'm going to the stage. I'm gonna rock the house like this. It's Neil. I drop the bass like this. Thank you.
Set it up and your showmanship was, through the roof.
When do you breathe? Now I like you even more.
This is your medicine. It's the best medicine, man. It's unbelievable. Killed it.
Hey, you know what, Neil? I've not seen as much beatboxing as I'm sure Van Ness has, but I've seen some, and I've never seen it made that entertaining.
AIDS has got talent. Neil's got talent.
Ladies and gentlemen, ADB! Una sa tanan, salamat kayo sa mga Bisaya na nadiri karon. Sa Tagalog, maraming salamat sa pag-welcome sa amin dito. I Beatbox, buenas, thank you so much for this event and sa opportunity na mag-gather yung beatboxers Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And also to collapse, merci beaucoup. Alright. Graba kayo mga kamay dyan. Sabi ko, kamay, hindi bibig. Animals. Okay. Let's go. Thank you so much. My name is Neil. Congratulations.
Isa sa kanilang dalawa ang mananalo ng 100,000.
Ang nanalo.
Ito ang kanilang tatanggapin. At ang ating kikilanin I sing!
Congratulations! 30 Light Mix! Congratulations! Grabe yung laban na yun. Grabe talaga. Okay, so, picture mo na. Si 30 mo na mag-isa.